Gene editing is a new technique that allows scientists to edit an organism's DNA. This technique has the potential to revolutionize the field of biology and medicine. One of the most important applications for this technique is in combating aging and age-related diseases. Direct gene editing can be used to repair or replace damaged genes. It can also be used to correct genetic mutations that cause disease. The first gene editing technique was developed in 2012 by Dr. Jennifer Doudna and her colleagues at the University of California, Berkeley. They used a protein called CRISPR-Cas9 to cut out targeted sections of DNA from bacterial cells and replace them with new sequences. Direct gene editing is not available for use by the general public, but it may become available in the future. It is currently being tested on animals and humans with diseases caused by genetic mutations. The idea of using gene editing to fight aging is not new. However, the development of CRISPR-Cas9 has made the process much more efficient. This technique allows scientists to directly edit DNA and change the genes that are responsible for aging. In the future, we will be able to edit our genes and change the course of our lives. We will be able to do things like make ourselves stronger, make ourselves smarter, and even make ourselves better looking. The idea of gene editing is still a bit scary for some people, but it can also provide a lot of benefits in the future. For example, if we have a child with a genetic disease that they will have their entire life, we could just edit their genes so that they don't have it anymore. Gene editing is a promising approach to combat aging because it can be used to repair the genes that cause damage as we age. The potential to use gene editing to help people live longer and healthier lives has been a hot topic in the scientific community for years. There are many ethical questions that come with this type of gene editing technology. For example, what if we could edit our genes so we can live forever? Would we want to do this? What would happen if someone else modified your genes and you didn't know about it? These are just some of the questions that need to be answered before we start using this type of technology on humans. We would like to hear about your own experience with this topic. Leave a comment. If you have any friends who may find this information helpful or interesting, you can use the share button and share this video with them on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, or any other social media. Lastly, remember that it is important to talk to your doctor or other professional before beginning any sort of supplementation or treatments. Feel free to contact us if you want us to give you the contact information of professionals who work with our network.